To begin with, sir, we see positive reports of significant fall in air and water pollution very often after the advent of COVID. This change may be temporary. However, has it caused any economic benefit to India or the world?
Yeah, it's an interesting question. In fact, there has been a couple of research has been already published on the positive impact of environment due to the lockdown. I mean, it will be difficult to understand from the COVID perspective because the air quality has improved because of the lockdown, because the limited economic activity that happened throughout the world. And if you look at the images from, internationally, when you look at the images from the NASA, then you can see that the first positive impact was seen from Wuhan itself, because the lockdown of Wuhan in China created a, air quality index to be better off. And China is actually suffering from climate change impacts and heavy, air pollutions. So this pandemic has led to in air quality in all around the world, not because of the pandemic, but because of the economic lockdown. Right. So let us be very clear about because what happens is many times the misunderstanding comes that because of the pandemic the air quality has gone up. It is because of the slowdown of the economic activity. Yeah. And predominantly because of the factories not being operative, and then the roadways are not being operative. But if you look at the Indian case, I mean, I'll speak from two perspectives. One is from the ecological economics perspective, and one is from the economics perspective, right? Now, if you look at the Indian perspective, yes, the lockdown have resulted limited the emissions because mostly the factories and roads are shut down for a long time. Now, if you look, if you think in terms of India, for example, take Delhi or any major city in India. They usually involve in a blanket of smoke at this particular time because the farmers start burning the crop.
Yes.
And we always have that, for example, you remember the odd even formula that came in between to deal with the crisis of the air pollution, right? Now, this air, I mean, this climatic condition tends to correct itself when the season changes, right?
Yes.
And but in this last few months, Delhi has not experienced that kind of a problem because economic activities were completely shut down. Because from the March onwards, the Prime Minister has declared for the economic shutdown to kind of deal with the COVID. And therefore, what has happened, the air quality is definitely better off. For example, in the northern India, you can see a downfall in the PM10. PM10 meaning particular matter to 10 and 2.5 had reduced, which is a very good sign in terms of a healthy environmental ecosystem because the air quality has become better. Now, beyond improvements of the outdoor air quality, are we also thinking about indoor air quality?
Yes.
See, what has happened is outdoor air quality has definitely become better because economic activity has slowed down. There is no emission, there is no transportation, there is no consumption of fossil fuels, there is no dependency on fossil fuels, so on and so forth. But what has happened is this pandemic has made all of us to stay at home.
Yes.
So if you take a statistics of how much our people stay at home, that has drastically gone up.
Yes.
So therefore, the hypothesis here is the outdoor air pollution has effectively become better. But probably the indoor air pollution has become worse because now people are, and India doesn't have space. We are actually in a space crunch. We are a high density population in a geographical location. And of course, population is one factor which we all know that we are densely populated. So the outdoor air pollution has become better, but indoor air pollution has probably become worse. So we have to think in that way. So it's in a short run, yes, the air quality has gone up, which is a good thing. But yes, we have to very carefully analyze and think in terms of the outdoor air quality. And when we open up the economy, how we are again managing with the understanding of ecosystem services.
It should not be very temporary in nature, but it should be, we have taken some lesson, or it's better to take some lessons from the pandemic time.